everybody, this is Mrs. Diaz. I'm here to show you how to create a Delta Math account. So the first thing you want to do is go to the search bar and type in deltamath.com. It should bring you to a page that looks just like this. Next, you want to go to the right corner and create an account. Click on Student. This box is asking for a teacher code. If you are going to geometry next year, that means you're in Algebra 1 right now. The code is 187207. What you'll notice is Miss O's page comes up. You're going to select the period, which means what class are you signed up for next year? Are you signed up for advanced geometry, which is pre-AP, or are you signed up for on-level geometry? Select that one that you're signed up for, and then fill in your first name, your last name, an email address, and a password. This will be your login information, so make sure it's something that you use on the daily. Also, click Create Account when you're finished, and you're done. Now, if you're going to Algebra 2 next year, you're actually going to need a different code, 225216. This is Mrs. White's page. So if you're going to Algebra 2 next year, you want to select what Algebra 2 class you're signed up for. Are you signed up for Advanced Algebra 2, which is pre-AP, On-Level Algebra 2, or are you on the TAG program, so TAG Algebra 2? Select the class that you are signed up for next year. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, and a good password, and create your account. Last but not least, if you're going to Pre-Cal next year, here's our code, 610331. Mrs. Turner's page is going to come up. You're going to select what pre-cal class you're going to next year. Are you an incoming on-level pre-cal student, an incoming on-ramps pre-cal student, or are you an incoming pre-AP pre-cal student? Select the one that you're signed up for next year. Put your first name, your last name, your email, and a good password. And we are actually also asking you for a student ID. After that, create your account, and you're done. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to log in with this information and you're going to start your summer assignment. There's going to be some good practice and your teacher next year might take that practice for a grade. So make sure you do it and best of luck. If you have any questions at all, reach out to your teachers. We're here for you guys. All right, take care.